PU leather multi-purpose ring folder comes with 20 plastic sleeves which will accommodate and organize 40 of your professional documents and certificates. Document sleeves can also be increased in future if needed. Perfect for office, school, meetings, interviews or travel. You also get one large pocket along with two smaller to keep cards, passport size photographs, pens, envelopes, calculator or plain sheets of paper. Intricate stitching, waterproof and high quality material makes you for a great durable product that will keep your documents safe for years to come. The classic look makes a style statement while also being compact enough to fit into backpacks and handbags. Get yours today and give your friend a meaningful and useful gift.